Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some Black Star Dollar Tree DIYs for you. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off this little hanger from this wooden star, and I'm going to paint it with some Waverly ink chalk paint, and then I'm hot gluing it to the bottom of this star candle holder, and then I pour in a packet of these little black pebbles. And I've had this candle holder and the pebbles for a long time and never used them, so I'm glad that I got to use up some old things in this video. And I really love how this turned out. It was really simple but looks really pretty. And then taking one of these wee picture frames that had the succulents inside them, I'm just gonna put, it still has the little metal stem that the succulent was attached to, so I'm just placing the star on there, and then I spray painted it with some Rust-Oleum spray paint, and this is it, just a cute simple wee DIY. And then this is one of the wooden star hangers, and these are star beads that I found in Dollar Tree. And what I did was I did one row of 10, another row of 15, and another row, well, I did 2 rows of 10, 2 rows of 15, and 1 row of 20 stars, and then I hot glued them to the back of this, and then I hot glued this wee star onto the front. And I love how it turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments. And I have this metal star, and I'm just going to spray paint it with the Rust-Oleum flat black spray paint. And then I just filled it with some reindeer moss and some succulents, and that was it. Another quick, easy DIY. And yeah, I love how this turned out as well. This black is my favourite colour, and I do love a bit of greenery. And this is one of the round black mirrors from Dollar Tree, and I just covered the mirror because I don't want you to see my upside down face. All I'm going to do is, these are the stars that I used in the last two DIYs. And just laid them out, the sizes that I wanted and where I wanted them to go, and then I'm just going to hot glue them in place. And I'm only doing half a way around. You could do all the way around if you wanted. And then if you want to do any of these DIYs, you can always change them up and make them your own. You don't have to have black. You could have any colour you wanted. Yeah, I had these stars for a long time as well. Then I hadn't. I was like, oh, why did I buy these? What am I going to use them for? But then I found these round mirrors the other day, and I've been looking for them for a while, and then I just thought of this, and I decided to add some beaded garland along the front of the mirror. After that, I spray the whole thing with some Rust-Oleum spray paint, and you have to spray these foam stars from far away because they will melt if you don't. Once it's dry, I just hot glue the mirror back to the frame. And then I found these little kaleidoscopes in the party section, and I'm just going to spray paint them and use them to make little legs, and then I hot glue them to the bottom. and it turned out really pretty. I didn't have anything to put on it, but you could put like rings or I don't know, just whatever you wanted. So I had 4 of these wee canvases, and I'm just going to take the front part off, because I'm not sure if I'm going to use it yet at this point. But I already did this to the other 3 frames, so next I'm just taking all the staples out and then taking the rest of the canvas off the back, and then I give them a wee sand, and then you want to glue them together so that they make a square. And then I have 2 of these little football pictures, and I'm just pulling off the little helmet picture from the front, and then I take the labels off and the little hangers from the back, and then I spray painted it with the Rust-Oleum spray paint. And I had these I got these wee stars like seen earlier in the video, and I thought that confetti was beads but it's not, it's confetti. It's like some kind of plastic, I don't know what it is, but I decided just to use it anyway since I bought it. So I just put 1 star, 1 confetti, 1 star, 1 confetti, and I did 4 rows of 10 and then 8 rows of 7, and at the top of each row I put 5 of the wee confettis, and then I spray painted it all with the Rust-Oleum spray paint. And this is one of the little wooden planks from Dollar Tree and one of the little wooden cubes. I'm just gluing them together, and then I take them outside and spray paint them with the spray paint. So this is everything spray painted, and I probably should have made the panels with the stars and the canvas back on them before I glued them all together, but yeah, so I would do that. I would make them all first and then glue them together. So I just glue the longest one in the middle and then have them hanging down, and then just trim off the canvas. I have the wrong side, but I like the side that looks more like canvas instead of the white side. More natural look, better. So I put that sticking out the front, except on one panel I did it the wrong way around. But the other 3 are the way I wanted them. So yeah, you can see it would be much easier just to do each panel, like do them separately and then glue them together in a square. Yeah, at first I wasn't even going to put the canvas on it, but then I decided to. So then taking these other picture frames that I spray painted, I'm gluing one to the bottom, and then I glue this little square thing, so you could pull the lid off if you want to. You can have it like this, or you could have it like how I'm going to have it. And I just filled it with some of the black rocks from Dollar Tree and put a wee succulent in there, and then you can just lift the lid off, and then you can put your candles in. I'm using some battery operated candles that I got from Amazon. And this is it in the daytime. Turned out really pretty. And this is it at night time with the candles on, and I love how this turned out. I would like to know what you guys think, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.